Okay, so this is part 3 to the linear regression exercise SP18 part 1. And the only thing that I'm doing in this is that I'm going to just try to show you an easier way for us to do the variance and the standard deviation using the Excel program. The only reason I didn't want to do that in the other videos is because I think we need to know both. We need to know the formula, we need to know the reasons why and how we're calculating, and not just have the computer do it for us. But it's so much simpler if we do it just with the Excel. But I will say another thing is I just realized we don't have to include the sum, you know, for the age. This is just telling us, oh, okay, we got to find the mean for the age. We got to find the standard deviation for the age. Okay, so if you look, when you do your answers, I mean, I'm assuming that's basically it. The best way I can explain, it's not that you have to write all those things, you just have to get the answers, but I just put down those details just for my own sake. But let me just show you how we're gonna do this on the Excel, which is so much easier. So after you do it handwritten, using your calculator, which I would suggest practicing as much as you can, get as much practice as possible. Sorry, let me just tell my son, can you close the door, please?
Okay.
And then check it by doing it on the computer through Excel, just so you can see. Okay, so let's start with the age. Okay, so we're gonna be focusing again on the total of the age minus the age's mean squared. And to find the variance, we're just going to type in equals VAR, which we've done in the other ones, right? And this variance we're not gonna be grabbing from here. We're just saying find me the variance for the age, and we're gonna just say add up all these ages, right? How we've done before, but we're gonna make sure we have that colon in there. Mine always puts a plus. Okay, and then oh look, there's the variance, 19.831, and then we're gonna say okay, I need the standard deviation for that. So, but we don't need to know the variance when it comes to Excel, because we can just type in STDEV and we say find me the standard deviation for all these numbers for the age, and then again make sure you have that colon, not an addition sign, right? Colon, and there we are, 4.453. What did we have? 4.453. That was for age. I'm just gonna do one more just so that we make sure that we've got it covered. I'm not gonna do the height. I'm gonna go to the weight, only because if you look at this last one, he had the numbers all included, but you're not gonna find it on this side, right? You're gonna find it on this side. And again, we're just gonna type in equals, and we're gonna type in STDEV, pick that, and then we're gonna just say find me the standard deviation. This time I'm using the weight, I'm not using the first variable, right? Because this time we want to know for the weight, and I stop before the sums, don't do the sums, and I make sure I put the colon instead of the addition sign, and there we go. And let's see, did it match up? Is this the standard deviation? Yes. So it's that easy on Excel, so much easier. You don't even have to do all of this stuff, right? You don't have to, not on Excel. You could just say add up all of this, find me the standard deviation, add up all of this, find me the variance. You know, as that we wouldn't have to do all these things, but the reason he has us doing this is practice, because we're going to be most likely doing things by hand, and possibly for other things, but I have no idea where he's taking us. But I just want to show you the easier way on Excel. But again, practice doing it the harder way. Just use the easier way to check your answers. Okay.